Client sent me a text message this morning saying that he accidentally deleted an Excel spreadsheet. Is there any way to recover that back? As I called him, as we were working through it, came to discover it wasn't that he accidentally deleted the spreadsheet. It's that he had never saved it. Worked on it for a couple of hours, had some important data on it. He had printed it before accidentally exiting Excel without saving the spreadsheet. We did get it back for him. I'm going to show how here. I'm going to simulate how, because I can't show the spreadsheet that he had due to privacy concerns. So here is an Excel spreadsheet that I created sometime, maybe an hour ago, I think. I've never saved it. You can see at the top of the screen, there's no file name assigned to this spreadsheet. I just have this text. This is an unsaved spreadsheet. I do not know the circumstances that triggered him or caused him to wind up exiting Excel without saving the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to close Excel and I'm going to click Don't Save. However it happened with him, I don't know. But here's what we did to get it back. Go back into Excel, then come to the File menu, come down to Options, select the Save menu, and look for this Auto Recover File location. Then I'll highlight all of that, Control-C to copy that to the electronic clipboard. Then I'm going to press Windows key R to bring up the Windows command and Control-V paste to paste that item there. Now it was already there because I've done that before starting this video recording. Press Enter, and that opens up the folder where this Excel automatically saves unsaved documents. So here is this unsaved spreadsheet. I'll double click it to open it. And here is that content. It had never been saved. We can recover it through this technique. Now, something else that you want to know about this, we come back down to the Options menu and save. We see here that it is set to save auto recover information every 10 minutes. Now, it used to be back in the day, my recollection is that auto recover is only available if Excel crashes or if your computer crashes and you don't exit from Excel properly. Well, apparently now that is different than my recollection. And the thing that I don't know, I haven't checked on, or I did a little Google search, try to find it. How long will that unsaved document stay there? And I don't know the answer to that. There may be other ins and outs of how this works these days, but that is what I know at this point. Hopefully that's useful to somebody. On my YouTube channel, I respond to people's comments. You can send me an email at this email address with a question about an issue that you're having. The more detail you give me, the better I can respond to it. Typically, sometimes I respond the same day or the next day or maybe 2 days out from when you send me an email. Also, people can ask questions in the chat room when I'm doing the live streams almost every day. And I hope that's useful. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.